वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम रिव्यू करेंगे जॉब्स रिलेटेड टू बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स डोमेन। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस्ड हैं, यू हैव प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग एंड एनालाइजिंग एग्जिस्टिंग बिजनेस प्रोसेसेस, you know how to design and document improved workflows, you know how to collaborate with cross-functional teams to get better insights, you have prior experience in implementing agile, scrum and other business process methodologies, or you have good knowledge of visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau, then this video is worth watching. Even if you're a fresher, you are looking to start a career as a fresher in this domain, you're looking for any internship opportunity, you have recently completed a degree in business, admin, economics, maths, or you are currently pursuing a degree in these fields, you have good knowledge of Python, SQL, and you know how to assist senior business analyst and other data analysts, then this video is worth watching. इस वीडियो में हम आगे पढ़ेंगे और रिव्यू करेंगे जॉब्स, किन लोकेशंस में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ द कंपनीज, व्हाट आर द रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज, सैलरी एंड बेनिफिट्स दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग, व्हाट आर द टेक्निकल स्किल्स दीज कंपनीज आर लुकिंग फॉर, एंड हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर दीज जॉब पोजीशंस। और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उन सभी जॉब्स के एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मैं प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, डू चेक दैट। और अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको डेली बेसिस पे ऐसे जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें रिलेटेड टू डेटा साइंस, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, पावर बीआई, सीक्वल और पाइथन डेवलपर रोल के लिए, you are a mid-level professional, a student of data analytics, or you're looking to start a career as a fresher in this field or looking for any internship opportunity, then do not forget to press the like and subscribe button for this channel so that you can get instant job notifications. Also, apart from this YouTube channel, I have two other platforms, Facebook and Instagram, where I keep on posting videos related to these domains. So if you do not want to miss out a single job opportunity, then follow both the channels. और एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है, जॉब्स आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हैं, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द लाइक एंड शेयर बटन सो दैट दिस वीडियो कैन रीच टू मैक्सिमम कैंडिडेट्स। वन मोर थिंग, जब आप ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, देन डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड क्लिक ऑन ऑल सो दैट यू कैन गेट ऑल द जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस व्हेनेवर आई एम पब्लिशिंग अ वीडियो ऑन दिस यूट्यूब चैनल। और अगर आपने YouTube का अपना नोटिफिकेशन इनेबल नहीं किया है, देन डू इनेबल इट, बिकॉज मार्केट में जो जॉब्स रहती हैं अवेलेबल जस्ट फॉर फ्यू, और बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं, सो दैट इफ यू डू नॉट वांट आउट अ सिंगल जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, देन डू प्रेस दिस सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड क्लिक ऑन ऑल। और अगर आपका इस वीडियो से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई सजेशन है, देन यू कैन रीच मी आउट थ्रू माई मेल ID callcentertalks26@gmail.com, या फिर अगर आपके पास कोई सजेशन है कैसे इन वीडियो को मैं और इम्प्रोवाइज कर सकता हूँ, then you can also reach me out through my mail ID and you can message me directly on my Instagram handle and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. अब रिव्यू करते हैं आज की जॉब्स। फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज पेटीएम, हायरिंग फॉर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, जॉब लोकेशन इन नोएडा, एक्सपीरियंस 2 to 3 years, salary would be 5 to 9 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: develop and maintain business intelligence solutions, analyze data to identify trends, opportunities and challenges, design and implement data warehouse, also collaborate with stakeholders to understand business requirements and develop solutions, create data models, perform data mining, predictive analytics, and statistical analysis, and also ensure data quality, integrity, and security. Qualifications and skills: bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, or related field. And for this job role, you need to have at least 2 years of experience in business intelligence, data analysis, or related. A strong analytical and problem-solving skills and proficiency in data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, QlikView. If you have prior working experience with programming languages like Python, R, and SQL, that is nice to have, and data warehouse techniques like ETL and data modeling. And if you're interested for this job location and job opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Leaf Finance, hiring for business analyst intern. Job locations in Bangalore, stipend would be attractive, experienced fresher. Key responsibilities: collaborate with the cross-functional teams to understand business objectives and requirements, utilize SQL to extract and manipulate data from various sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and data warehouses, develop and maintain SQL queries and reports to support ongoing business operations and decision-making, also analyze data trends, patterns, and anomalies to identify insights and opportunities, and contribute to ad hoc analysis and special projects as needed. So if you're looking for any business analyst intern job opportunity, you can apply for this job post. Education qualification: pursuing a bachelor's degree in business economics, finance or related, proficiency in SQL and experience in querying and analyzing relational databases, excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, basic understanding of statistical concepts and data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI would be a plus, and eagerness to learn and adapt in fast-paced and dynamic work environment. So these are some key responsibilities and technical skills for this business analyst intern job opportunity. So if you're good to go with roles and responsibilities, qualification, and desired skill, you can apply for this internship job role. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Let's move to the next job. Company name is Infor, hiring for business analyst associate. Job locations in Hyderabad. Salary would be competitive. Experience 2 to 4 years. Key responsibilities: oversees complex global project execution, delivering within deadlines and schedules, provides forward-thinking analysis to business problems, presenting innovation solutions and remedies, also creates and manages system roadmaps and execute against the roadmap, ensure issues are identified, tracked, reported on, resolved in a timely manner, interacts with customers and other end users for the applications to determine enhancements, and responsible for discussing and understanding business requirements, driving solution workshops, and training key users. So these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a business analyst associate over here. Qualification and skills: a bachelor's degree in business, economics, finance, or related field. Desired skills: strong verbal and written communication skills, ability to communicate well with users of all levels, developers, and other business owners. Also, ability to effectively communicate, facilitate team meetings, strong business analysis skills. Also, provide if you have prior experience of domain knowledge, product knowledge to development and QA teams, and as subject matter expert. So, if you have prior working experience in this domain of 2 years and you are good to go with key responsibilities and skills, you can apply for this job opportunity. And this is the link to apply for this job post. Let's move to the next job. Company name is Konnect, hiring for business analyst entry level. Experience 0 to 1 year. Job locations in Mumbai and stipend would be attractive. So if you want to start your career as a fresher in this domain and you're in Mumbai location, you can apply for this job opportunity. Key responsibilities: we are seeking a business analyst entry level. This role is suitable for someone who can tell compelling stories on a dashboard, draw conclusions with high quality charts and graphs to present their findings in a clear and concise way. Understanding, extracting, and analyzing data as per the business requirements to track the performance in terms of sales. Communicates with the resources person, client team to get input raw data needed for report generation. Analyzing with the clients to prepare business reports with clear visualizations on MS Excel. Skills for the job role: you need to have at least a bachelor's degree to apply for this job post. Attention to details and commitment to accuracy for the desired deliverables. Good analytical and communication skills, bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, fluency in Microsoft Office Suite, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. And SQL knowledge would be beneficial. And if you're interested for this entry-level job opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the next job. Company name is Amazon, hiring for business analyst. Job locations in Hyderabad. Salary 4 to 8 lakhs per annum estimated. Experience 1 to 3 years. Key responsibilities: design and develop high available dashboards and metrics using SQL and Excel quick sites, understand the requirements of stakeholders and map them with the data sources, data warehouse, own the delivery and backup of periodic metrics dashboards to the leadership team, draw inferences and conclusions and create dashboards and visualizations of processed data, execute high priority projects to improve operations, and work closely with internal stakeholders such as business teams, engineering teams, and partner teams. Skills and qualifications: bachelor's degree or equivalent, attention to detail and commitment to accuracy for the desired deliverable, good analytical and communication skills, bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, experience defining requirements and using data and metrics to draw business insights, and knowledge of SQL. And this is the job link to apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Nohitatu, hiring for a job business analyst intern. Job locations in Chennai, stipend would be attractive, and experience fresher. Key responsibilities: responsible for collecting all project requirements, responsible for gathering and formalizing business requirements, interacting with the business users, development and testing teams for effective delivery, ability to perform detailed analysis to ensure all aspects of the business requirements are understood. Also responsible for bringing in new and innovative ideas, estimated project deadline on its parameter, provide project reports and regular communication. So these are some basic qualifications, responsibilities for this job role of business analyst. You need to have at least a bachelor's degree or equivalent, strong interpersonal and communication skills, basic knowledge and experience in MS Office like Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. Knowledge of SQL would be nice to have. If you have leadership skills and team spirit, and that is good to go. And this is the link to apply for this job opportunity. Next company in the list is GoDaddy, hiring for senior business analyst. Job locations in remote. Salary would be negotiable. Experience 2+ years. Key responsibilities: collaborate with business partners, act as the main liaison between GoDaddy and our business partners to ensure issues are resolved promptly and efficiently. Monitor and validate data flowing from SaaS system into our internal platforms, ensuring data integrity for internal stakeholders. Develop reporting solutions, develop analytic dashboards that provide easy to consume reporting, offering stakeholders comprehensive insights into their business and related sales drivers. Also, conduct data analysis on sales, products, and customer success data to identify trends, patterns, and areas of improvement. So, these are some key responsibilities you need to perform as a senior business analyst over here. Education qualification: bachelor's degree in finance, economics, business, or related field is required. If you have master's degree, that would be preferred. 1+ years of experience in manipulating and transforming large data sets, proficiency in SQL for data discovery, aggregation, and extraction. If you have working experience with the Python and R, that would be a plus. Proficiency with business intelligence tools such as Tableau and QuickSight for data visualization. So these are some key responsibilities and desired skills for this job role. For any remote job opportunity as a business analyst or senior business analyst, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Let's move to the next job. Company name is Maids.cc, hiring for business analyst part-time. Job locations and remote, experienced freshers. Salary would be competitive. So if you're looking for any part-time job opportunity, you can review this job post. Roles and responsibilities: Maids.cc is hiring part-time AI business and data analysts. This flexible role offers an excellent opportunity to gain valuable experience with accommodation or other commitments. Utilizing AI tools and technologies, including LLMs and like ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini, with the creative prompting techniques. Also support the creation of new websites, apps, chatbots, and applied statistical methods, predictive analysis, and data modeling to inform strategic business initiatives. So these are some key responsibilities for this fresher job opportunity. Qualifications and skills: you need to have at least a bachelor's degree in physics, finance, economics, or related field. Desired skills: university degree in progress or completed in engineering, mathematics, physics, finance, economics. If you're a final student, recent graduates, or professional, then also you can apply for this job post. Familiarity with AI technologies and their applications in business solutions, and knowledge of programming languages would be nice to have. And if you're interested for this job opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Web Optimization, hiring for business analyst. Job locations in Ahmedabad. Salary 3 to 4 lakhs per annum estimated. Experience 1 year. Key responsibilities: assist senior business analysts in gathering, analyzing, and documenting functional requirements for projects and products. Prepare basic documentations. Create preliminary SRS flow diagrams, functional diagrams, mockups, and wireframes. Assist in client interactions. Support in conducting with client calls, understanding customer requirements. Collaborate with the team to understand and implement agile methodologies. Also work closely with the development, design, and quality assurance teams to track project progress and meet deadlines. Skills and qualification: bachelor's degree in physics, finance, economics, excellent Google Docs and Microsoft skills like PowerPoint, Word, or Excel. If you have knowledge of wireframing skills, softwares like Figma, Sketch, Adobe, XD, etc. Excellent written and verbal communication skills, and knowledge of programming languages like R or Python, nice to have. And if you're looking for any job opportunity in Ahmedabad location as a business analyst, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. Next company in the list is Bunge, hiring for business analyst freshers. Job locations in Mumbai. Salary would be 3 to 5 lakhs per annum estimated. Key responsibilities: any requirement in terms of sales automation from business needs to be documented and communicated to technical team. Report creation such as business volume, outlet build, SKUs, build creation of customized dashboards for better visibility of business to stakeholders. Technical query handling within short testing. Should have complete understanding of FMCG sales process. Skills and qualifications: bachelor's degree in physics, finance, economics, or related field. Desired skills: the candidate must have a proficiency in MS Office, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Excel. Python understanding would be an added advantage. Flexible to demand-based opportunity and quick learner. And graduation in IT or computers, any postgraduate MS Excel advanced certification. Knowledge of Power BI will be an added advantage. And if you're interested for this fresher job opportunity, you can click on this link and you can apply for this job post. So friends, these are 10 jobs for this week for the role of business analyst for freshers, experienced, and candidates who are looking for internship opportunity. I hope you like this video. Do share your feedback in the comment section. And if this video helps you in your job search, then do press the like and share button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.